They say legends never die, but this one was on life support. Meet the 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback, a true American icon, found abandoned in the back of a barn, covered in dirt, rust, and regret. But today, we're bringing this pony back to life. I mean, look at it. This poor Mustang looks like it galloped straight into a tornado and lost. The paint is peeling, the chrome is gone, and those tires flat as my morning pancakes. We rolled her into the shop, and let me tell you, it felt like dragging a legend back from the brink. First up, a full teardown. Every rusty bolt, every creaky part, every sad, squeaky panel gone. Honestly, it felt like this car was held together with duct tape and dreams. And then, the moment of truth restoration, magic. We blasted off decades of rust and prepped her for that jaw-dropping candy apple red paint. Watch closely, folks, because this is where the magic happens. When that first coat hit, it was like watching a phoenix rise from the ashes. This Mustang was finally starting to look like the legend it was meant to be. Now, we couldn't just make it look good, it had to roar. So we rebuilt the 390 cubic inch V8 engine, the heart and soul of this beast. And when we fired it up for the first time, goosebumps, literal goosebumps. That sound, pure American muscle, and here she is. The 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback, reborn in all her glory. Candy apple red paint, chrome wheels, and a growl that'll turn heads from miles away. She's not just a car, she's a statement. Driving this car feels like stepping back in time, like you're part of something bigger. This isn't just about restoring a car, it's about reviving a piece of history. And trust me, she's ready to tell her story to the world. So, what do you think? Worth the effort? Because this isn't just a restoration, it's a resurrection. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next project. Until then, keep dreaming, keep building, and never stop chasing legends.